Hi beautiful family, welcome back to my page. Guys, I want to show you how I make Nigeria fried rice. If today is your first time coming across my video, do not hesitate to like, share and follow for more. That's the chicken and the turkey. It's washed. Here are the seasoning cube, the curry powder, ginger powder, garlic powder, salt, thyme, nutmeg to spice the chicken. Just massage it to it and massage it very well so you can have a good taste. Then you add your onions, the bay leaf, and allow it to steam for few minutes. So now guys, you add your cooking pots, you add vegetable oil into your pots, then you allow it to hot for about 3 minutes. Add your spring onions, fry it for few minutes. Then when it's fried, you add your green beans, you fry it for 3 to 5 minutes, and you add your carrot, you fry together for a few minutes. Then you add your vegetables, add your Maggi cube, add your salt, and allow it to cook all together. You stir it very well, then you fry for a few minutes. So guys, if today is your first time coming across my video, do not hesitate to like, share and follow for more. And to all my old subscribers, thank you very much and God bless you. So guys, when you don't fry the vegetable, you set it aside and you check the chicken and the turkey. When it's well cooked, you bring it out and transfer it into your air fry. When you're done with that, you bring out the sieve, you sieve out the chicken stock. Then when you're done sieving it, you add your Maggi cube, the curry powder, your salt. Guys, when you're making fried rice, be very careful with the salt. You add a little bit of salt because you already boiled the meat with salt already. So be very careful with the salt, and remember you also fry the vegetables with the salt also. So that is why you have to be more careful with salt. Then you add your Maggi cube, curry powder, you add your salt, a little bit of salt, you add your pepper, a little bit of pepper if you are the type that likes spicy. You add a little bit of pepper. Then when you're done with that, when you're done with adding all the spices, you cover it to allow the water to boil out a little bit. Then you add your washed rice. Then you allow it to cook till it's done. When it's boiled out, then you transfer your rice, the washed rice, to the pot. Then you allow it to be cooked. Guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do me well to subscribe, support your girl, support your sister, like, share, comment your opinion how you make your fried rice. I would love to see your comment at the comment section. Guys, do not forget to like, share, and follow for more. As you can see, guys, the rice is well cooked and it's already giving the fried rice vibe already. You can see how beautiful it looks. It's so yummy, guys. It's so nice. Kids also love it. Then when it's cooked, you set it aside. You take your frying pan, you add a little bit of vegetable oil, you add a little bit of rice. Allow it to fry for just few minutes. Then you add your vegetable that was fried already. You add it bit by bit. Just allow everything to fry together. You continue to stir so that it don't get burnt. Allow it to fry. Allow it to fry, guys. Just continue to repeat it and allow it to fry. Add vegetable when you think it's not enough, and repeat the same thing like that. So guys, this is the end look of the fried rice, guys. This is so yummy. Guys, are you trying it out for Christmas? Please follow for more. Thank you very much for watching and stay blessed. Bye bye.